Science in space. History of space science. In the 17th century, it was assumed that space could not be empty. René Descartes argued that the entire universe must be filled. This was proved wrong through the work on air pressure by Blaise Pascal, who showed that the density of Earth's atmosphere decreases with increasing altitude. Origins of the universe. The study of the universe and everything in it is called astronomy. In 350 BC, Plato and Aristotle created the geocentric model. This meant that everything orbits the Earth. Galileo invented the telescope in 1609 AD and saw objects in orbit around Jupiter. This proved that not everything orbited the Earth. The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory suggests that billions of years ago, space matter in the universe was together in a single mass, which exploded. This theory was first proposed in 1927 by George Lemaitre. We now know the expansion of the universe is accelerating. Antimatter. Antimatter is the mirror image of matter. Every particle of matter has a corresponding particle of matter. When particles of matter and antimatter meet, they destroy each other and are changed into pure energy. The expanding universe. In 1982, Edwin Hubble discovered that the galaxies are moving apart. This shows that the universe is expanding. This discovery is key to the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory happened 13.81 billion years ago. Galaxies. A galaxy is a large group of stardust and dark matter held together by gravity. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way galaxy. Our nearest neighbor is the Andromeda galaxy. There are approximately 100,000 million stars in the galaxy. There are between 100 to 200 billion galaxies in the universe. There are 4 types of galaxies: elliptical, spiral, lenticular, and barred galaxies. Stars. A star is a ball of heat radiating gases that is held together by gravity. Stars contain mostly hydrogen as well as helium and smaller amounts of other elements. Nuclear fusion releases large amounts of energy and fuels stars. This involves 2 small nuclei joining together to form a large nucleus. Planet. A planet is an object that is in orbit around a star, has enough mass to have a nearly round shape, and has enough gravity to clear the space debris in its orbit. Moons. A moon is a natural satellite which orbits a planet. The moons of other planets have been given names from Greek mythology. Asteroids. Asteroids are lumps of rock that orbit the sun. They are too small to be classified as planets. Comets. A comet is a small lump of ice and dirt that orbits the sun. Comets are made up of a nucleus, a coma, and 1 or more tails. Dark matter. Dark matter is a form of matter thought to account for approximately 85% of the matter in the united and about a quarter of its total energy density. Most dark matter is thought to be non-baryonic in nature, possibly being composed of some as yet undiscovered subatomic particles, but we know very little about it. Supermassive black holes. A supermassive black hole is the largest type of black hole. There is a supermassive black hole at the center of every galaxy. Dark energy. Dark energy is an unknown form of energy which is hypothesized to permeate all of space, tending to accelerate the expansion of the universe. Loop quantum gravity. Loop quantum gravity is a theory of quantum gravity attempting to merge quantum mechanics and general relativity, including incorporation of matter of the standard model into the framework established for the pure quantum gravity case. Loop quantum gravity competes with string theory as a candidate of quantum gravity, but unlike string theory, is not a candidate for a theory of everything. String theory. String theory is a theoretical framework in which point-like particles of particle physics are replaced by one-dimensional objects called strings. It describes how these strings propagate through space and interact with each other.